What if nuclear war started tomorrow? It's a chilling question, one that forces us to confront the unthinkable. Nuclear weapons possess destructive power beyond comprehension, capable of altering life as we know it. Let's explore the hypothetical, yet terrifying, journey from immediate impact to long-term global changes. In the first moments, blinding flashes would erupt, followed by shockwaves tearing through cities. Firestorms would engulf urban centers, turning once vibrant landscapes into infernos. Infrastructure would collapse instantly. Communication networks would fail, plunging us into isolation. Mass panic would ensue as people desperately seek shelter from the unimaginable destruction. The immediate loss of life would be catastrophic, an unimaginable toll on humanity. Beyond the initial blasts, a nuclear winter would descend. Smoke and dust would block the sun. Temperatures would plummet, turning once fertile lands into frozen, barren wastes. Radioactive fallout would spread globally, contaminating land, water, and the very air we breathe. Ecosystems would collapse. Plant and animal life would perish, leading to widespread famine. Food shortages would become the norm, as agriculture becomes impossible in the poisoned environment. In the long term, society would crumble. Governments would cease to function, replaced by lawlessness. Small, scattered groups of survivors would struggle daily against harsh conditions, disease, and scarcity. The fight for basic resources would define existence, a constant battle for survival. Knowledge, culture, and technological advancements would be lost, plunging humanity into a new dark age. This grim scenario underscores the devastating reality of nuclear conflict. It's a stark reminder of our collective responsibility to prevent such a catastrophe. Peace, diplomacy, and understanding are not just ideals, but necessities for our very survival.